welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how to fit a cab air blower into your vehicle or HGV, as I'm going to show you in the video. It's a really simple and a handy tool to have. So yeah, I'm going to run you through that. And in case you're wondering why I'm sat on the floor right now, it's because my cat is sleeping on the sofa I usually do these videos on. So yeah, let's take a look.
And if you get value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe to support this channel.
Right, so this is the kit I'm going to be installing in this video. So basically it consists of an air pipe, a fitting that plumbs in behind the seat, and a air blower. And that's pretty much it. You can buy it individually, but it's just easier to buy a kit. So obviously most HGV seats now are all air fed, obviously for the seats. So what we're going to do is we're going to pump all the air out of the system first, just obviously otherwise when we cut the pipe, if it's full of air pressure, it might make a, go off with a bit of a bang. So what I usually do is just jump in the driver's seat and just pump the brake pedal until you press the operating button on the seat and the seat doesn't go up. Once you do that, you know you've let all the air out of the system. So the next thing we're going to do is pull the seat forward. So drop the back and grab the lever and slide the seat as far forward as it'll go. And then we're going to climb over the back of the seat and locate the air pipe. Now there is a wiring harness as well, obviously for if it has seatbelt pretensioners or seatbelt clasp, for the warning for the seatbelt, which is in this little conduit by here. And then you've got an air pipe, which is obviously the solid black pipe. Obviously you want to cut him, somewhere in the middle, so if there's any problems it gives you a bit of room. So I'm going to take a little cutter and just cut the air pipe, yeah, get that pipe cut. And there we are. Now when I select an air blower, I always go for one with a push fit couplings. You can get ones which have got like a kind of a rivet nut or an olive or other types, and they are just very difficult, where with a push fit these are a lot easier and it's just a matter of pushing it onto the pipe. Now I did struggle to do it with one hand when I was recording, and you really need to make sure these pipes are pushed in all the way home. So I advise just using two hands. Obviously locate the two pipes and then give the two pipes a good push to make sure that they're seated all the way. Obviously when you build the air up then just check for leaks, but yeah, it's kind of that simple. Now once we got in, we got our pipe clip connected up. They're just clip-in couplings, so connect the pipe and then obviously connect the pipe to the air blower. Now we'll put the seat back and build the air pressure up, and there's our air blower. As you can hear him now, he's working perfectly fine. It stretches all the way over to the passenger side if you want to clean the passenger's footwell, and even outside the truck if you want to use it for other things. But yeah, it's that simple, and thanks for watching.
And if you get value from this video, hit the like button and subscribe to support this channel.